Hello dear students, today we are going to learn Standard 7th lesson number 1.4 The King's Choice. So this is the third part of this lesson. So let's start. So in the previous part we have seen that the lion and his court were reached the edge of the desert. So let's see what happened next. High up in the cooler air, the vulture flew. So vulture was flew and said, "Hurry up!" He called. "The camel is not far off." So he said to the all of them, means the lion and fox and leopard, "Hurry up! Camel ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है." But the lion could not hurry anymore. The hot sand has burned his paw. He could go no farther. So, because of hot sand, the lion's paws were burns. Because वो जो sand थी बहुत ही गर्म थी. That's why his paw. आपने देखे होंगे lion के paws. So वो जल गए थे. And stop! He shouted to the others. And he shouted to others, "Stop! Let us go back to forest." लेट अस गो बैक टू फॉरेस्ट. चलो फॉरेस्ट में चलते हैं. आई डो नॉट केयर टू ट्राई कैमल मीट. सो आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू ट्राई कैमल मीट क्योंकि उसके पॉज जो है बहुत जल गए थे. दैट्स वाई द लॉयंस किंग्स एडवाइजर वेयर फ्राइटन. द लॉयंस किंग्स जो एडवाइजर था, हु वाज द एडवाइजर? द फॉक्स. सो वेयर फ्राइटन, थोड़ा सा डर गया था. द फॉरेस्ट वॉज फार बिहाइंड देम एंड दे डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू गेट द लॉयन बैक होम. सो द फॉरेस्ट वॉज फार बिहाइंड, फॉरेस्ट तो बहुत दूर था. देन दे डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू गेट द लॉयन बैक होम. सो उन्हें तो पता नहीं था. द लिपार्ड वॉन्टेड टू रन अवे. Leopard also wanted to run away. The vulture wanted to watch and wait and eat the lion's later on. So the vulture wanted to watch. So vulture भी watch कर रहा था and wait eat the lion later on. So तीनों भी ये wait कर रहे थे. But the clever fox thought of a plan. Then fox was very clever. So the clever fox thought of a plan. Off into the desert he ran, saying. So वो desert में भागने लगा. I will bring some help. और I will bring self help. मैं कुछ help लाऊंगा. After running for some time, the fox found the camel. So एक्चुअल में कैमल उससे मिला. किसको? फॉक्स को. द कैमल वॉज इंडीड सरप्राइज टू सी हिम. सो कैमल वॉज इंडीड सरप्राइज टू सी हिम बिकॉज कैमल डिड नॉट सी एनी मोर like fox. So he was very surprised. "Hurry up, friend camel," said the fox. "Hurry up, friend camel, our king wants to at once." So he said, "Our king wants to at once." "Your king?" said the camel. Camel said, "Your king? Who is that? No, who is your king?" "I do not know any king. I only know my master." So the camel said, "I do not know any king. I only know my master, for whom I carry goods across the desert. So I work for him," means his master, "and I carry goods." goods जो भी सामान होता है वो. "across the desert. Our king, the lion, has killed your master." So the fox said, "Our king," हमारा जो किंग है, "the lion has killed your master. He can kill your master. Now you are free. अब तुम फ्री हो. And the lion has invited you to live at his court." And the lion has invited you to lives at his court. So camel along. The camel followed the fox. So camel agreed to come with fox. When the fox and the camel reached the lion's camp, When the fox and the camel reached the lion's camp, the vulture and the leopard were surprised. The vulture and the leopard were surprised because they thought how it is possible. So even the lion looks pleased in spite of his burnt paws. इन स्पाइट ऑफ उसके जो पाउज थे वो जल रहे थे, तभी भी वो थोड़ा सा प्लीज दिख रहा था. द कैमल वॉज प्रेजेंटेड टू द किंग. He agreed to serve the lion in return for a home at his court. So the fox said the camel was present to king. He agreed to serve the lion. Camel agreed to serve the lion in return for a home. Means, where is home? Means it's a jungle. That's a forest at his court. Get on the camel's back, your majesty, said the fox. So fox said, get on the camel's fox. We will return home. The lion at once jumped on the camel's back. Then the lion jumped on the camel's back. His courtiers, which are they? The fox and the leopard were jumped also on a camel's back up behind him, and with the vulture flying ahead. As a guide, they set off on the long journey back to the forest. Okay, students, so this is the third part of this lesson.